Join us in Panama this fall break. Hello, I'm Dr. Archana Kumar, and I invite you to join me and Dr. Yawei Wang for an unforgettable study abroad experience in Panama. On this trip, you won't just learn about business, you will practice it. You will step into the role of a business consultant working directly with microenterprises in a rural Panamanian community. These entrepreneurs face real challenges in marketing, operations, finance, and strategy, and you will help them find real solutions that strengthen their businesses and support long-term economic growth for the community. For 1 week, you will live in the community, learn their stories, understand their goals, and use your business skills to make a meaningful impact. You will be welcomed into the rich traditions of Panama, its people, its food, its crafts, and its way of life. And of course, no visit to Panama is complete without seeing the Panama Canal. We will end our journey by witnessing this global trade powerhouse in action, an unforgettable moment for any business student. Panama is waiting for you, and we hope you will be part of this journey.